Hiya, today in this video we are about to discuss a very important reagent which is PCC. This is called pyridinium chlorochromate and this is the structure of this one, and it is also called a Corey's reagent. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. Before starting, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe to get notified. Let's begin. This PCC can be synthesized using pyridine in presence of concentrated HCl. This ion will be formed after we are oxidizing using chromium trioxide. The pyridinium chlorochromate is formed and this is commercially available. PCC can also be used under solvent-free conditions, which is reported in synthesis. PCC converts a primary alcohol to aldehyde and secondary alcohol to ketone and tertiary alcohol with beta gamma unsaturated carbon atom. If this type of compound is present, the carbonyl will attach at gamma position. Let's see some examples. See, this is the starting material. Here the alcohol which is present here is converted to ketone, and thus the PCC will oxidize this alcohol to ketone. This is the secondary alcohol, so it converts this alcohol into ketone if it's primary to aldehyde. This example is taken from Tetrahedron Journal. Now see this example. This is also a secondary alcohol which converts to ketone in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate, which is called PCC, in presence of DCM. This is DCM. Thus it converts the secondary alcohol to ketone. You see this is alpha and this is beta and this is gamma. The beta gamma unsaturated carbon atom is present. If this type of compound is present, the carbonyl will attach at gamma position only, and this bond will shift over here, and this is oxidized, and thus the product is obtained in presence of pyridinium chlorochromate in presence of DCM in Al2O3. Thus the carbonyl will attach at the gamma position and this bond will shift over here, forming this compound. You see this example which is taken from CSIR paper. This is the starting material. We are adding pyridinium chlorochromate in presence of DCM. What is the product? Just first step, the primary alcohol will convert to ketone, aldehyde. The reactivity is primary is greater than secondary. This alcohol will not be reduced and only this alcohol will be reduced to aldehyde. After that, this lone pair of electrons will attack over here and this will move over here, forming the 5-member intermediate, and after that the PCC is added over here which converts this alcohol to ketone, and this is the final product obtained for this reaction. You have to note that only the primary alcohol is more reactive than secondary alcohol, so the oxidation happens at the primary alcohol. After that cyclization happens. After that we are adding PCC which converts this alcohol to ketone, and this is the example which is taken from CSIR paper. This is the starting material. We are reacting with PCC in presence of strong base NaOH and another reaction PCC in weak base NaOAC. First step, we are rotating this bond, just rotating this bond to this direction, and will come like this one. The OH minus from NaOH will attack this hydrogen and this bond will move over here and this bond shift over here and this bond will come over here, forming the 6-membered ring. After that we are adding PCC. if we add PCC, this alcohol will convert to ketone. Again the OH minus attacks this hydrogen and this bond moves over here, and this will come as O minus, and O minus will come over here, and this will move over here, and this will attack the hydrogen, forming the product, this one. This is the final product of this reaction. If we add NaOH, which is a strong base. If we add NaOAC, which is not strong base as NaOH, thus the oxidation of this alcohol only happens to aldehyde, which is equivalent to this structure, and no cyclization happens like this in NaOH. And this is very important reaction which is asked in CSIR net paper. See this example. This is the ketone protecting group. If we hydrolyze this one, this will convert to ketone. We are adding PCC in presence of DCM. Only this alcohol is oxidized to ketone, and thus the product of this reaction. You see this example. This is a starting material. We are reacting with zinc copper in presence of methyl iodide. This is the Simon-Smith reaction. Simon-Smith reaction, which converts this alkene to cyclopropane. And the cyclopropane will be formed in presence of the alkene if we add zinc copper in presence of methyl iodide, and thus the cyclopropane is formed over here. And the second step is PCC in presence of DCM. This alcohol is oxidized to ketone. So this primary alcohol is converted to aldehyde. After that, what happens means this bond will come over here, forming O minus and forming the positive charge over here. And next step, this oxygen will attack this carbon, and this will come over here, forming O minus, forming this 5-member intermediate. The positive charge will come over here and the negative charge will be here. After that, the alcohol is obtained over here, and this will be neutralized. After that, this alcohol is oxidized to ketone, and this is the final product of this reaction. See this example. See, this is alpha and this is beta and this is gamma. There is a bond between beta gamma, double bond between beta gamma, and the alpha is present over here, forming the tertiary alcohol. If the double bond is between beta and gamma, the carbonyl will attack at the gamma position. Here the carbonyl will be generated, and this bond will move over here. That's the product of this reaction. And this alcohol is also oxidized to aldehyde. See this example. This is the starting material. We are reacting with PCC in presence of DCM. Here the double bond O will be formed because it is an active methylene carbon, because of the presence of the benzylic methylene group. PCC and CRO, pyridine complexes, oxidizer allylic and benzylic methylene groups of electron-rich N systems to the carbonyl groups. This is electron-rich, so that this will convert to ketone. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries or comments, post it in the comment box. See you in the next video. Have a good day.